The most powerful weapon in an Orthodox fighter's arsenal is not their right hand. It's their jab, because the jab isn't just a punch, it's the key that unlocks the entire system. Without it, your power hand is a cannon with no fuse. In this video, we're installing the complete 10-step Orthodox operating system with breakdowns of how the masters use each tool. This isn't just a list of 10 techniques, it's the 10-step installation guide for the Orthodox operating system, from the foundation to the finishing blow. I spent years just throwing punches, wondering why I wasn't improving. It wasn't until I understood how each piece connected to the others that I stopped just hitting things and started boxing. Number 1. The stance, the tripod. Your foundation. Feet shoulder-width apart, back heel raised, weight 50-50. Insight, you are not on a tightrope, you are a stable, powerful tripod. Watch Canelo, his feet are never on the same line, giving him a rock-solid base to generate power or move in any direction. Number 2, the jab, the key, your lead hand. It snaps out and back on a straight line. The jab is not a weapon, it is your rangefinder, your blindfold, and your setup tool all in one. Watch GGG's jab. It's a battering ram, a stiff, controlling punch that dictates the entire fight. Number 3, the cross, the cannon. Your rear hand. Pivot on the back foot, rotate the hip, fire in a straight line. The cross is not a standalone punch, it is the punishment your opponent receives for reacting to your jab. Watch Ryan Garcia. His cross is a direct result of the opening his lightning-fast jab creates. If you're here to build the complete system, hit that subscribe button. You're in the right place. Number 4, the lead hook, the crowbar. Your lead hand again, this time rotating horizontally. The lead hook is a crowbar. Its job is to pry open a tight guard or punish an opponent who slips outside your cross. Number 5, the rear hook, the haymaker. Your rear hand, rotating horizontally. Insight, this is a high-risk, high-reward power shot, best used as a counter when an opponent is moving away from your cross. Number 6, the uppercuts, the system breakers. Lead and rear hand, traveling vertically. Insight, the uppercut is a system breaker designed to punish an opponent who is leaning in too far or turtling up. Watch Canelo's uppercuts. They are short, brutal, and perfectly timed to intercept an opponent's level change. Number 7, the high guard, the shield. Hands up, chin down, elbows tucked. Insight, a good guard is not a static wall, it's an active shield that parries and deflects, creating openings for your counters. Number 8, the slip, the evasion, a subtle movement of the head off the center line. Insight, you don't slip to avoid a punch, you slip to make them miss and simultaneously load your weight for a counter. Watch Loma or Canelo. A slip is never just a defensive move, it's always the first step of their next attack. Number 9, the roll, the flow, a circular U-shaped movement of the upper body. Insight, the roll is how you flow under hooks and reset your position without breaking your stance. Number 10, the 1-2-3, the core combination. Jab, cross, lead hook. This is the foundation of everything. It is the complete sentence of boxing. The jab asks the question, the cross is the statement, and the hook is the exclamation point. The final secret is this: an Orthodox fighter's power doesn't come from any single punch, it comes from the threat of every other punch. The jab is only dangerous because of the cross is only dangerous because of the hook. Your job isn't to master 10 separate techniques, it's to forge them into one seamless, interconnected system where every piece threatens and sets up every other piece. Stop practicing punches, start building your system. Install these 10 components, understand how they connect, and you will have the foundation of an elite Orthodox fighter. Which of these 10 techniques is the weakest link in your system right now? Let's get an audit going in the comments. If you're ready to build the complete blueprint, subscribe now. And to see the most important part of this system in more detail, watch my video on how to fix your footwork right here on the screen. Train smart, stay ready.